Welcome back to the channel. The garage is still a mess. This battery is almost dead, which is odd. So I just charged it. Anyway, today I'm sick of looking at this half-built Land Cruiser. We're gonna start just sanding paper. And by sanding paper, I mean I'm gonna start sanding paint and trying to just see what's under the surface. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. I want hard doors. But this hard top is in really rough shape. And if you can see in there, there's an aftermarket sunroof that someone cut in. It leaks. I'm probably gonna just do it all, but I have some decisions I need to make about this whole thing. I mean, the back doors, they're on the ground. Look at that rust hole in it, right? Like, there's all sorts of stuff that is a problem. So I think what I need to do is just start chipping away at some of this paint and, you know, getting rid of the rust if I can, putting primer on it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Anyway, the name of the game today is to just do some body work, rust mitigation, things like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like and subscribe and let's get to it. So we're actually gonna start with the doors. I'm gonna take this door off, throw it on this table right here, and just start going to town, see what we got. Obviously this isn't great. Look at how thick that paint is right there. The seals are bad, the windows, I don't know. This might be salvageable, might not be. Worst case, we can probably find some replacement rubber, things like that, but there isn't even a lock on this thing, right? I mean, not that that's a problem, but we'll start with the things that come off before we actually do the full tub. And that way I can mentally prepare for other parts that need to go on it, like the tie rod here. But yeah, okay, let's get the door off and we'll go from there. Alright, just a simple 12 millimeter. Taking off some of these bolts, hopefully they don't break. We'll put them back in the holes where they came from. So, just got the camera set up. I'm gonna start sanding, see what happens. Okay, something interesting. Obviously the doors were probably not from this particular Land Cruiser because I believe the original color was this tan color, as we've documented in prior videos. However, look at that. So we've got the bare metal right here. We've got the primer. Then we've got this blue. So this door came from a former blue Land Cruiser. It then got another coat of primer and then the orangey red color. So kind of cool. This blue color, I'm probably gonna do, let's see, it's called Farm Blue or Ford Blue. You can get it at Tractor Supply. It's a Rust-Oleum paint for Ford tractors. So that's what I plan on doing for the entire thing. That way it's a darker color, it covers up any imperfections, and yeah. All right, let's get back to sanding. Alright, little smoky. I fried this one. It's a old drill that I had. Well, the Black & Decker Matrix, so yeah, that's done. Oh well, alright. I'm gonna bust out the trusty Bauer. So, we look to have taken out most of the paint. Obviously this side exterior, but overall in pretty good shape. A couple spots of pitting here. Yeah. So, not too bad overall. I think that's it for this one. I know this is kind of a boring video, but I'm still recovering from my lack of content over the past couple days and weeks. So, like and subscribe. We'll try and get some more out there, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.